Hello, what's up guys? For today's video guys, meron po akong isi-share sa inyo na trabaho online. So, wala po itong interview. Tapos, ang gagawin nyo lang ay mag-reply ng message sa mga client. Meron kang i-endorse na product online sa mga social medias. Tapos, meron silang i-message sa inyo. Tapos, kayo na ang mag-reply gamit ang AI. So kung bago pa kayo dito sa AI, mayroon pa silang training dito na ibibigay na kung paano, at meron silang mga grupo kapag natanggap kayo dito sa trabaho nila. So, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa bagong upload guys. So, proceed tayo sa laptop guys, kasi ang trabaho nito guys ay sa laptop lang. Sa laptop lang itong trabaho, sa PC, laptop. Yan lang yung ano kasi sa website na to. So, proceed tayo sa laptop guys. So, dito sa laptop guys, ito, mag-search tayo ng Just, Just Disk Remarkable AI Expert. So, ito yung search natin, din click. So, ito to siya, apply2job.com. So, remarkable AI. So, dito guys. So, dito, ito ang Just Disk Remarkable AI Expert. So, before tayo sa apply for this position, dito muna tayo sa sa kabila, become a customer support expert for brands you love. So, just desk Remarkable expert. So, freelance customer. Yan. So, basahin ito guys na mabuti. So, about the job, are you looking to earn additional income? Just desk for freelance customer support. Again, so help the companies provide the best support of their company social media. So, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and email. So, just Desk offers flexible part-time opportunities. So, part-time lang talaga guys. So, you'll never have to speak on your phone. So, this everyone's looking to this hustle, whether you're a stay-at-home parent, college student, or even in full-time employed full-time. This job is perfect for you. High quality performance you'll never will lead to even more opportunities with various plans. So, ito guys, so basahan nyo ito mabuti guys. So, dito tayo sa benefits of being an expert. Choose your own schedule. Itong kanti. Work from home. Work from anywhere. Support your favorite brands. Unlimited earnings potential. So, dito tayo sa key responsibilities. So, represent your favorite brands on social media and other platforms. Respond timely and accurately to emails and social media messages. Provide a meaningful, engaging experience with every interaction. Solve the customer. So, dito na tayo sa basic qualification. So, no prior customer service experience required. No relay, we mean it. So, must have laptop. So, importante talaga yung laptop guys. So, and internet access. Ito. So, high quality performance in English, grammar, and punctuation. So, ito talaga dapat marunong ka mag-English. So, hindi naman English na speak. Yung ano lang, English na ika-type mo. Kasi, more on English talaga itong mga client natin. So, mayroon namang Pinay dito pero English pa rin yung ano nila. So, professional in efficiency, other language is plus. Your ideal is to the challenges in using customer person. So, basahin na to guys. So, dito na tayo sa apply for this position. So, this position, first name, last name, email address, phone number, address. So, are you 18 years of age older? So, yes yun lang. So, what language you speak? So, ano talaga dito is English. Can you work weekend? So, yes. Kasi ang trabaho ko dito guys is every weekend lang guys. Saturday, Sundays. Ang trabaho dito. So, yung outside of the US. So, pili kayo dyan guys. So, please upload government issue photo ID. So, yung kasama ko ito trabaho, ang upload ng ID is passport. So, what time zone you are in. So, pili ka lang dyan. So, what hobbies. Yan, pili ka lang dyan kung anong time zone mo. dito sa Pilipinas. So, what hobbies and interested do you enjoy? So, itong hobbies ito, mag-select ka ng 5 option, pwede 5, 3 option, 3 to 5 option dito sa hobbies, social media, yan, what interest you most about becoming a remarkable AI expert. So, ito talaga guys, gandahan nyo yung mensahe dito kung English, lahat English talaga to. Tapos gandahan nyo yung pag-describe ito kung ano yung interest nyo about becoming remarkable AI expert. Yan, so, gandahan nyo yung ano yung message na yan. So, do you have experience about freelance work? So, kapag may experience ka guys, pwede nilagay sa baba. Kung wala, pwede in A. So, do you have experience with CRMS? So, kung may experience ka, mag-select ka dito ng answer. So, if yes, pili ka dito kung ano yung trabaho. Kung wala naman, is in A lang. What hours are you available work as an remarkable expert? So, ito yung mga hours. Pili ko dito the preferred times, understand the company opportunities and need best lifestyle. So, pili ito weekend morning 7 to 12. So, ito mga weekday afternoon 12 to 6 p.m. Weekday evening 6 p.m. to midnight. Then, weekday early morning is midnight to 7 a.m. So, weekends flexible versus Sunday full-time ability. So, kung full-time mo, so, pwede mo full-time. So, dito naman to sa hours. How many hours do you want to work? So, pwede, yung kasama ko is over 5 hours yung ano niya kasi weekends. Wala kasing trabaho. So, how do you find about us? So, sa find so, pwede sa website, sa Steam website, Indeed, or saan nyo nakita sa social media ba? So, for the next question in expert. So, dito, importante guys. Itong link na to, ito is yung sa YT link, sa YouTube link. So, panoorin itong video kasi lahat ng mga question dito sa baba ay nandoon sa video nila. So, panoorin natin to. So, i-confirm mo yung kung napanood mo yung video, i-confirm mo dito sa question na to. So, kapag what is the primary system of expert to respond messages, ito nandoon na nito sa video. So, makikita niyo doon sa video kung ano kasi i-explain doon lahat kung ano talaga yung trabaho natin dito kapag natanggap tayo at kung ano talaga yung importante about kung mag-handle ka ng customer o client sa pagre-reply ng mga message. So, lahat ng mga message dito ay nasa video. So, ito yung what happens when you select the response. So, ito yung sample. So, you are receiving ads about so, marami po ito. So, itong mga message na to, nandun ito sa video. Dapat panoorin din yung video. Kasi importante ito. So, dito guys, kapag ma-hire tayo dito sa Remarkable AI expert, ito yung quiz nila. Ito, which of the following sentences grammatically correct? So, ito yung quiz nila about sa grammar, yung punctuation, grammar, dito sa, ito, nandoon ito lahat sa video. So, sagutan ito kung hindi lahat ito nasa video. So, ito English in your own answer about sa, English. So, kung tama yung sagot nyo, so, meron silang, kapag na-confirm na yung robot, i-review natin dito sa taas kung nasagutan mo lahat. Tapos, I'm not a robot din, submit the application. Pag na-submit mo guys, so, mag-antay lang tayo ng email. So, hindi lang aabot ng 24 hours, mag-i-email lang po sila sa inyo na kung pag na-submit ito, mag-i-email sila ng na natanggap nila yung application mo. Tapos, hindi aabot ng 24 hours, mag-apply sila na natanggap na kayo or hindi. So, hopefully matanggap kayo guys kung apply guys. So, yan lang guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel para updated sa bagong upload guys. So, thank you guys.